Well, go on, people. New York style. Today was Saturday, the eve before Christmas Eve. So, me I go head out and see what going out on the road. You see me? Me not pick up much, but bleaky today. Today bleaky. Yesterday did well cool. Low temperatures. So, me I do look a road today to see what going, you know. Not fancy up today at all. Just a run out and run back in. What the Christmas I treat everybody. Leave comments, let me know. And stay tuned, yeah? Collard greens. For how much? 79 cents a pound. Yeesh. Collard greens. $2 for line. 62 not bad. Alright. So in here is mad crowded. Especially the aisle right there to get through. So I can't even film much. I have to come hide back here to tell me figure out what I get. But I'm going back in the meat department. So let's try that again real quick. It's a tight space. See it there? Tight. Tight. So it's here. I try maneuver. space well tight in here. And it's mad busy, yo. Sheesh. Alright. Want some mackerel, me I grab some of this and come back. See if we can grab two of them, yo. Don't know when I'm gonna make some fish soup, but fish soup by Caribbean Dreams. And them have pumpkin soup. You think me have some more of these already. The pumpkin mix and whatnot. Never tried a brownie yet, but me I give it a shot. Cold in here, we in the freezer of course. See that? Small space, so we have to leave with cat and everything right here, so. And shampoos. See that? All the meats. I think the chicken them over here, so. See that? Bags of chicken. For how much? Cheap. 2 for $5. I'll leave my cat right there. I'll get some more saltfish too. See them have the fresh pig's tail, smoked pork tails. I might get smoked pork tails instead of pickled ones. This is like 5 something. I think I might do that. It's a mood in a busy, like coronation. Oxtail. Okay. How much? 45. Find a big bag of oxtail here. See how much sweet? Oh, it's heavy. $101 upside down. And how much pound? This you never know how much pound this. It's so busy, I can't figure it out. But look, big bag, right? I see my mackerel them here. It's a 3 salt mackerel. That me I roll with. Man, them busy back there like a bee. What you go take? Hey, when you no, whoa. You there? Go on, mommy, go on, show. You come this way? Cold and busy. Cold and busy. I'm not bother with no pigtail, even though I'm tempted. But they pick up small pigtail. Okay. I'm gonna come through. They go on through, darling. Busy. Busy upon the Christmas here. The eve after Christmas Eve. Madness. Look at this. How big is that? Massive. Come through, go on through, darling. Go on through. See there? Madness. Barely anywhere to walk. You have to wait your turn and squeeze through. My turn, yeah? Let's see if them have the hot dog. I want it. Thank you, Mama. Sabrets. Quanto, eh? Sabrets are $5. We all have. Wow, see there? Bangara. I may try to make it to my cat. Cat, they're right around the corner. But they can't reach it. So, I have to just hold on. Till my turn, right? See the nice roast. Look at that. You know, I get a tropical ready. A $3 feet. Don't know what flavor. Mango carrot. Pineapple ginger. I've been drinking ginger. Never take one of this. Fruit punch. Yeah. Busy. Them just pack up back a cat and chicken. See there? Chicken went. See my cat there, so. Get across the crossroad. Right here, so me I go. Alright. same old. Not new. See it there? Busy as usual on a Saturday. When I put in the secret ingredients, them now I know. Just a show the juice a stir up. That's
Well, that's what my husband have a pot at the stew people. We look watery, but it's not down here.
a cook down. Whoa, it a go wicked. Same way. Taste test pan cake. Famous juice. I'm the taste tester. Let's see. No one, not more. Mm. So what you know? See, eh? Watch this. I mean, I have my tripod, so I feel do this piece by piece. See, eh? When me cook a bread and patty.